Yeah. What, left? Yep, you gotta have a look for cars. Look for cars. And Andrew, come over left. Look, there's a car coming, that's it. Go on, keep going. Go on, Andrew, catch into you up. Fast as you can. Why not? Are they? Keep going. Sorry? No, it's not. It's the right way. Go on then. It's much easier if you stay on the path than the grass. Because I'm fast. Well, look, keep over to the left. Wow, look at the speed you're going. No, we'll slow down then. Yeah, Landra, watch where you're going. Keep over left. You're going to crash into me. India, stop at the junction, please. Check for cars. Right, now go left. That's it, slow it. Left. This way. Right, keep over, look, there's a car coming. Alandra, keep over, there's a car coming. Whoa. Keep over, there's a car coming. Wow. Alandra, keep over to this side of the road, please, that's it. What's that in your mouth? That's not good, is it?